Welcome, everyone. Today we're discussing an important topic. What does a good relationship look like according to the Bible? Relationships matter deeply in God's plan because He created men and women to live in love, unity, and partnership.
That's right, CY. From the beginning, God designed relationships for companionship and purpose.
Absolutely.
Genesis 2:18, the Bible says, "It is not good for the man to be alone." This shows that relationships are part of God's divine design.
So today, we'll walk through 6 key biblical principles that build a strong and healthy relationship. For the key pillars are love, respect, faithfulness, forgiveness, communication, and spiritual unity.
Absolutely, those are the foundations.
The core biblical principle is love.
Yes, love changes everything.
It transforms our lives. Let's start with the foundation of every relationship, love. The Bible describes love in a very powerful way.
Exactly. In 1 Corinthians 13:4-5, it says, "Love is patient, love is kind, it does not envy, it does not boast, it is not proud."
Biblical love is not selfish. It's about caring deeply for the other person and putting their well-being alongside your own.
In practical terms, couples should show kindness daily, be patient during disagreements, and support each other emotionally.
Another powerful principle is respect. A healthy relationship cannot survive without it.
That's true. In Ephesians 5:33, the Bible says, "Each one of you also must love his wife as he loves himself, and the wife must respect her husband."
Respect means valuing each other's voice, opinions, and feelings.
Simple actions like speaking kindly and appreciating each other's efforts go a long way.
Absolutely, honoring one another's dignity is key.
Faithfulness is another pillar of a biblical relationship.
Yes, loyalty protects the relationship. In Hebrews 13:4, the Bible teaches that marriage should be honored and kept pure.
Absolutely. Faithfulness means being committed emotionally, spiritually, and physically.
Couples can practice this by being honest, trustworthy, and protecting their relationship from temptations that could damage trust. No relationship is perfect, which is why forgiveness is so important.
The Bible tells us in Colossians 3:13 to forgive one another just as God forgives us.
Forgiveness releases bitterness and allows healing to happen.
That's powerful, Loveth. So couples should learn to apologize sincerely and choose reconciliation rather than holding grudges.
Absolutely.
Communication is another key ingredient in a healthy relationship.
The Bible gives wise advice in James 1:19, quick to listen, slow to speak, and slow to become angry.
That means listening carefully and responding with wisdom rather than reacting with anger.
Couples should express their feelings honestly while maintaining respect and patience.
Absolutely.
Finally, the strongest relationships are those where both partners walk with God.
That's powerful. In Ecclesiastes 4:12, the Bible says a cord of 3 strands is not quickly broken.
A third strand represents God in the relationship.
Absolutely. That's the foundation. When couples pray together, study the Bible together, and encourage each other spiritually, their bond becomes stronger.
I agree.
So how can couples apply these biblical principles today?
Great question, CY. It starts with open communication and daily prayer. Here are some practical ways. Pray together regularly, encourage each other's spiritual growth, communicate openly and respectfully. Forgive quickly when mistakes happen, show love through actions, not just words, support each other's goals and dreams.
When couples practice these habits consistently, their relationship becomes healthier and more fulfilling.
A good relationship, according to the Bible, is built on love, faithfulness, forgiveness, communication, and spiritual unity.
When God becomes the center of a relationship, it grows stronger and more meaningful.
And remember, a relationship that honors God will always be guided by His wisdom and grace. Thanks for watching. If this blessed you, please like, subscribe, and share. Your support helps us spread God's truth further. God bless you.